To manually publish the captured data, click on Actions button and go to Walkthrough Settings. In the Walkthrough setting you can see View Statistics and an Options button on the top right corner. Click on the button to see the Publish Manually button. Then, click on Publish Manually, then, click on Import Images to import all images captured. You will then see a dialog which says Completed Importing Images, Success. Click Next. Click on Generate HDR Images. This will generate best quality images that were captured. Once this step is complete, click Next. Click on Stitch Images to stitch the HDR images into 360 photos. After this step, click on Next. Click Publish button to publish the photos. This can be done by switching off the Insta360 camera. After the phone is connected to external internet either through mobile data or through Wi-Fi, on the main screen, click on Publish Tours. To verify if the images are published, click on Actions button. Go to Walkthrough Settings. In the Statistics, Images Published section should be Yes.